everything inside, telling everyone that I'm alright, smiling just to get it through every day, even when I'm breaking on the way. They see strength but they don't see the cost. All the nights when I felt completely lost, I got used to hiding how I feel, trying to pretend the pain's not real. But I'm tired of pretending I'm okay. Tired of pushing all my tears away. I'm strong enough